Alvionita Nisa. I'm a student majoring in English education at one of the university in Cianjur, named Kencana University. For me, education is important for surviving in the future. Education doesn't differentiate someone's degree, ethnicity, and origin. All have the right to education. And in 2020, the world experienced a health crisis which threatened all human beings. All activities were stopped, including educational activities. Students, teachers, and education staff didn't know the continuity direction of the world of education during the pandemic. However, with a high fighting spirit for the sake of education, educational experts have found the technology that can be used in the sustainability of the world of education. The technology have valuable features that support education. For example, Zoom meetings. It can be used as a communication tool between teacher and student and as a platform for teacher to provide study material. Of course, teacher can see their student activities and students can meet their friends virtually through laptops or smartphones. Not only that, but education heroes have also created several learning methods, which are alternative learning strategies, so that they can be used during the pandemic. One of them is blended learning. According to Ellen and Yuri in Bang and Graham, blended learning is a combination of various learning strategies, methods, and techniques. This mixed learning method combines direct learning method or synchronous and independent or indirect learning method that can be done at any time or asynchronous. In blended learning, students get study modules through online and offline classes with different materials. Usually, the teacher who provides material in the online class will review the material when the offline class is conducted. Blended learning can make it easier for teachers to allocate time for class schedule during a pandemic, and students can access the material provided in online classes regularly. With the unified method such as blended learning, it can reach students in a broad scope so that all students can receive the material well and educational can develop more rapidly in the future.